Good evening. Welcome back to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight, let's hear the gentle winter tale of the grateful crane. Our first word means snow.
Yuki, Yuki.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
雪が静かに降っています。
Long ago, a kind old man rescued a beautiful white crane from a hunter's trap in the deep snow. The next night, a mysterious young woman arrived at his door seeking shelter from the storm. Our next word means kind or gentle.
優しい、優しい。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
おじいさんはとても優しい人でした。
The woman offered to weave a magnificent cloth for the old man, but she made him promise never to look inside the weaving room. Our next word means promise.
約束、約束。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
約束を守ってください。
The cloth she wove was more beautiful than anything the village had ever seen. But eventually, curiosity overcame the old man, and he peeked into the room. Our next word means beautiful.
美しい、美しい。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
その布はとても美しいです。
Inside, he saw not the young woman, but the crane he had saved, plucking her own feathers to weave the cloth. Her secret revealed, the crane took flight into the winter sky, leaving behind a final gift of gratitude. Our last word means gratitude or thanks.
感謝、感謝。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
心から感謝します。
The old man never saw the crane again, but he lived comfortably for the rest of his days, always remembering her kindness. May you also be surrounded by kindness tonight. Good night.
おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
良い夢をおやすみなさい。